today we're gonna do a quick routine to lift our lip corners. Use your moisturizer or your facial oil before you start massaging your face. So let's start. The first move that we're gonna start doing is to massage this area. This massage is to warming up this area. We're gonna do this for 10 to 15 seconds, massaging this area like so slowly and smoothly. Second move that we are going to do is pinch this area, which is like the lip corner and the jowls area. Pinch it, and then we're gonna just move it upward. Do this for 10 times. I'm pinching and moving the lip corners upwards, like in this direction. The next move that I'm gonna do is the move that I'm gonna do on my jowls areas and the muscles in this area with 2 fingers. I'm gonna just go up from my chin to the sides of my nose, opening my mouth. I'm gonna do this for 10 times, smoothly and slowly, without applying too much pressure. So my pressure is gonna be like, medium pressure. Next massage is to lift the skin up like this. I'm gonna do one side first and the other side after that. So I'm gonna pinch it, bring it upward, and then a little more up till the area which is my cheeks, but I'm not going too much to the under eye area. And then I'm gonna just do this movement and release. So one more time, up to the cheeks, do the move, release. And the other side, up, cheeks, do the move, release. So with this move, I'm lifting the whole face up from the lowest area to the top. And release. So easy like that. And let's go to the next move. Do scissors and then put them around your lips and pull upwards and outwards like this, and do this for 10 times. Okay, last move, which is lifting the whole face upwards. All of your fingers, put them here, and then just lift everything up. Don't go too close to the other eye area, and lift over your cheeks. and 10. Then a little massage on the lymph nodes here. Then go to your ears, massage a little bit. Come down on the neck 5 times. And done. This was it for today's routine, which you can do easily everywhere, even at work. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to like and share. Thank you for watching. See you next one.